This EverExceed solar panel set is purpose-built for a wide range of Eufy outdoor cameras, so it integrates cleanly without awkward adapters or unreliable third-party cables. The monocrystalline silicon cells deliver efficient, steady charging that can keep a frequently triggered Eufy camera running without constant manual recharging. A long power cable and fully adjustable mounting bracket make it easy to place each panel where it actually gets strong sunlight, even if the camera itself is mounted in the shade. The panels feel solidly constructed and carry an IP65 weather rating, so they can stay outside through rain, snow, and summer heat without babying. Support for both USB-C and micro USB connections means you can use the same kit across older and newer Eufy camera models as your system evolves. Getting 3 matching panels and mounting hardware in one package makes it straightforward to outfit multiple cameras at once with a tidy, permanent power solution.